Hello, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud to create a GIF animation. Okay, so to start with, I've got about 5 different photos here, and I'm going to import these into Photoshop. So I'll just select them and drag them straight into my Photoshop window. Okay, it's running a little bit slow, but I've got 5 different pictures in here now, so they're all different colors. And by the way, the way that I did this was by just opening up the image and going to Image, Adjustments, and then altering the hue and saturation. Okay, so I've made 5 different variations of this photo, which by the way is of the blue city of Jodhpur in India. Okay, so that's the actual real color of the houses, but I've gone and changed some of the colors. Anyway, so to turn this into a GIF animation, which will cycle through each image, I firstly need to put all of these images, combine them into one image, but put each photo on a separate layer. So I've got, I'll use photo2.jpg to start with, and I'll drag photo 3, so click and drag it onto photo 2 and let go, and then I'll just move it so that it's on top. Okay, and then I can close photo 3. I'll grab photo 4 using the selection tool, click and drag onto photo 2, let go, and then make sure I move it on top again so they're all straight on top of each other. And then I'll do it with photo 5, drag that on as well, line it up, and close that, and grab the last one, which is the original photo 1. Okay, they're all lined up, and I can close photo 1. So now we're just left with this one file that has 5 layers on them. So you can see all of those images have now become 5 layers. We want to unlock this background layer, so click on the little padlock, and that becomes layer 0. Okay, now to turn it into an animation, we need to go to Window, and then get the timeline, so click on Timeline, and then down the bottom, it might say Create Video Timeline. If it does, then you click on this little arrow here and choose Create Frame Animation, which I've already got. Once you do that, you can click on this little button over here, and then hold on, so click on Create Frame Animation, and then you'll have the timeline like that. Click on this little button over here and choose this option here, Make Frames from Layers. Click on that, and then it will take all of those layers and turn them into frames on this timeline. So you can change the timing of each image, but if you want to apply a new timing to all of the images, just click on the first one, hold down the Shift key, click on the last one, and then just change the timing, so maybe half a second each, and it will apply to all of those. So click on play. It runs through those 5 images, half a second for each one. At the moment it's just set to play once, but we can change that to loop either 3 times, forever, or change it to whatever you want really. So click on forever and play, and now it's just an animated GIF that is looping infinitely with these 5 different images. Stop that. Okay, most importantly though, when you save it, when you need to click on File, instead of choosing Save or Save As, you need to make sure you click on Save for Web, so that it doesn't just save as a GIF, but it saves as an animated GIF. Okay, now you can change some of the settings in here if you like, but it's important just to make sure that you're saving it as a GIF, and then just click on Save. choose a folder, save it as whatever you like, ending in .gif. Click on save. Now, go to your folder that you saved it into, and I'm going to open it in Chrome. And there we go. That's an animated GIF. Okay, all done using Photoshop Creative Cloud. Thanks for watching.